You become what you think about most. This is the law of attraction. Your thoughts are powerful. They are energy that attracts similar energy. What you focus on expands. Focus on the good. Focus on what you want. What you want wants you. You just need to allow it in. The universe is always listening. It responds to your dominant thoughts. Think about what you want, not about what you don't want. Your thoughts are like magnets, drawing experiences that match their frequency. Choose your thoughts wisely. Choose your dreams. Choose your desires. Choose happiness. The law of attraction is a universal law. It operates all the time, whether you are aware of it or not. Every experience in your life, from the people you meet to the things you possess, is a result of your thoughts. You are the creator of your own reality. Manifestation is a double-edged sword. It can bring you joy and abundance or sorrow and lack. Your thoughts determine which edge you experience. Focus on positive thoughts and feelings to manifest a life of abundance and joy. Focus on negative thoughts and feelings and you attract unwanted experiences. Fear and doubt are powerful manifestors. They block the good that is trying to come to you. Release all fears. Release all doubts. Trust in the universe. Trust in the process. Trust in yourself. Choose thoughts that empower you. Choose thoughts that uplift you. Choose thoughts that make you feel good. Your feelings are your guidance system. They tell you if you are on the right path. Positive feelings mean you are aligned with your desires. Negative feelings mean you are blocking your good. You are a powerful creator. You are creating your reality with every thought. Choose your thoughts consciously. Choose your reality consciously. Choose to be happy. Choose to be successful. Choose to be loved. Positivity and gratitude are the keys to unlocking the full potential of manifestation. A positive attitude attracts positive experiences. Gratitude amplifies the good in your life. Be grateful for what you have. Be grateful for what you are receiving. Be grateful for what you are becoming. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. It opens your heart to receive more blessings. Express gratitude daily. Write in a gratitude journal. Tell people you are grateful for them. The more you appreciate, the more you receive. Positivity is contagious. When you are positive, you radiate positive energy. This energy attracts more positivity into your life and inspires others. Choose to see the good in every situation. Choose to focus on solutions, not problems. Choose to be optimistic. Cultivate a positive mindset. Surround yourself with positive people. Read inspiring books. Listen to uplifting music. Watch motivational videos. Make a conscious effort to focus on the good. The world is full of beauty and wonder. Choose to see it. Choose to experience it. Shout out to our partners, Limitless Life. Learn the correct ways to meditate and live your limitless life. Learn more in our description. Start each day with gratitude. Think about all the things you are grateful for. Feel the gratitude in your heart. Let this feeling guide you throughout the day. Carry this feeling with you as you go about your daily activities. Practice mindfulness. Be present in the moment. Appreciate the little things. Savor your food. Enjoy the sunshine. Notice the beauty around you. Be present in your conversations. Listen attentively. Engage fully. Use affirmations to shift your mindset. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself. They program your subconscious mind and help you believe in your power to manifest. Choose affirmations that resonate with you. Repeat them often. Believe in them. Replace negative thoughts with positive ones. When you catch yourself thinking negative thoughts, stop and replace them with positive ones. Focus on what you want, not on what you don't want. Focus on solutions, not problems. Focus on the good, not the bad. Positivity and gratitude create a positive feedback loop. The more you focus on the good, the more good you attract. The more good you attract, the more grateful you become. This creates an upward spiral of positivity and abundance. Your thoughts create your reality. Your beliefs shape your experiences. Choose to believe in the power of positivity and gratitude. Choose to focus on what you want. Choose to believe in your dreams. The universe will respond in kind. The universe is a mirror reflecting back to you your dominant thoughts and beliefs. If you want to change your reality, change your thoughts. Change your beliefs, change your perspective. The power is within you. You are a powerful manifester. Believe in yourself. Believe in your dreams. Believe in the power of the universe. Everything you desire is on its way to you. Allow it in. The power to manifest is within you. You are not a victim of circumstance. You are a creator of your own reality. Choose to create a reality filled with joy, love, and abundance. Choose to believe in your power to manifest. The universe is conspiring to give you what you want. It is working behind the scenes to orchestrate the perfect circumstances for your desires to manifest. Trust in the timing of the universe. Trust in the process. You are a magnet for miracles. Your thoughts are magnetic. Your beliefs are magnetic. Your feelings are magnetic. Choose to attract miracles into your life. Believe in the impossible. Believe in the extraordinary. Believe in your dreams. The journey of manifestation is a journey of self-discovery. It is a journey of empowerment. It is a journey of becoming the best version of yourself. Embrace this journey. Enjoy this journey. Trust this journey. You are exactly where you need to be. You are perfect. You are whole. You are complete.